New tonight, yet another legal twist in the fight against a California gun law that critics call unconstitutional. This weekend, an appeals court blocked the bill from taking effect that would ban weapons in most public spaces.
So let's dive into this. CBS 13's Hunter Sowers is in the newsroom with more on what happens next, Hunter.
Guys, we are having legal whiplash. You are not alone. It's a timeline that we're about to put up here, though, of the fight over Senate Bill 2, so you can really understand just how back and forth we've seen this be since it was signed into effect in September. Take a look here. In December, a district judge ruled it violated the Second Amendment and issued an injunction. Shortly after, the state appealed and a panel paused that injunction, lifting the ban. It was only in effect for 5 days, though, before the Ninth Circuit weighed in once again, blocking that bill from becoming law. That recent move, though, is one local law enforcement are celebrating.
Confusion over gun restrictions in the state of California. Senate Bill 2, signed and supported by Governor Newsom, would ban firearms in most public spaces, igniting outrage from concealed carry advocates.
These are all the places that individuals are going to be in public. What good is it to be able to carry a firearm in public if you cannot carry a firearm in public?
And praise from supporters of gun control.
You know, we're not the Wild West. We might be California, we might be on the West Coast, but you have to have some sanity in this conversation.
The bill, only law for less than a week when an appeals court ruled the ban could not take effect.
As far as I'm getting a lot of questions about, how are we going to handle it as a sheriff's office?
San Joaquin County, part of a growing number of agencies in Northern California, answering questions about how this could impact their constituents.
We're going to handle this like we handle every law that comes our way. We're going to enforce it the way we see best for our county. And we're going to handle it kind of like we did with the COVID issue. And we find that with our citizens in our county, education is the best way.
But I do question the constitutionality of some of the changes in regards to where concealed weapons holders can carry.
Placer County also voicing concerns over the bill.
Just like it is in Placer County, I'm sure you'd find it throughout the state. These are not the people out committing gun violence. These are law-abiding citizens.
Yuba County DA's office said they are against the sensitive place provision that would ban carrying in public places. Sutter County saying they will address the law if it takes effect on a case-by-case basis, posting, "We have no interest in criminalizing constitutionally protected behavior."
So what happens next for embattled Senate Bill 2? Well, the appeals court will now take up the issue in April, so we won't know until the spring and even probably later. Governor Newsom, in the meantime, though, blasting this recent ruling, saying we won't stop working to defend our decades of progress on gun safety in our state. As of now, important to note, there are no changes in effect to gun laws in the state of California. All eyes will be on April.